Okay, I'm going to now show you how to set up a course. So under here we come under settings, and we click on courses. As you can see, there aren't any yet. Click up here and add a new course. We're going to call this one Handling Dangerous Materials. It is active. We can give it a CEU number and how many minutes. 480. The maximum amount of students on this course, 10, and the minimum is 5. The blocks or modules that this course can have, there's already 3 set up. What we'll do is we'll select those. As you can see, if the list is longer, we can start typing and it will allow us to select that. From there we can add new blocks as well. So if we want a new block or module in here, we can call this personal protective equipment. PPE 60-minute block has no sub blocks. So we can add the rest of our courses in here, or modules. We can select a room or a resource from here. We can also add new resources. From every drop down list we can always add something new. So room 1 here, we'll select. The classification is fire training. The location is Delaware office. Now this course may need some other resources or some other selections. For example, it may need documentation needed. So what we can do after we've saved that course is go to the lists, select a course here. From here we can add groups of questions that appear on the certain module, either a course or a block. So on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add documentation required, and it's going to be a multi-select. I spelled documentation wrong, so I'll correct that. We'll add that. We can now click on documentation required. From here we can add questions or answers or what will appear on the course. So I'm going to add certificate. I'm going to enable it. Perhaps driver's license. So now we can go back to the course, Handling Dangerous Materials, and further down you'll see that there's documentation required here now. Now you can select as many of these as you want that you've added, so we're just going to have a driver's license for this one.